Yo, today we'll fix these JBL E55BT wireless headphones, which for the most of you will break like this and your $100 will be tutu. If you're very lucky, only thing you'll need to do is glue them back together. But if cable is damaged, you'll have to watch my other tutorial how to fix it. Just click the I button on upper right corner. Headphones can be glued with any glue, but I suggest using flexible glue, in case you need to do some other repairs. Take the glue and apply it all over the perimeter with a good layer and put the headphones together. But make sure glue reaches both sides. If you run out of glue, press it and shove headphone in its place. And leave it for a couple of hours to let the glue harden. Maybe it's better to leave it overnight. In the morning, headphones will look like brand new and we will save around $100. Nice! If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like for me sniffing the poisonous glue and subscribe to meet me in another money saving video. Adios!